6 de julho de 2022, no Aeroporto Internacional de Miami, um voo da Spirit Airlines com destino a Detroit, Michigan, já estava quase pronto para decolar. Todos os passageiros haviam embarcado e o portão de embarque já estava fechado. Foi então que uma mulher apareceu atrasada no portão de entrada. Como o embarque já havia encerrado fazia tempo, a tripulação negou a entrada dela. Mas em vez de aceitar a situação, ela estava determinada a entrar no avião, a qualquer custo. Sendo assim, ela burlou a segurança e embarcou ilegalmente na aeronave. Ela empurrou as aeromoças e passou correndo pelos corredores do avião, chegando até a pular por cima de passageiros para alcançar seu assento.
I'm sorry. I just walk in, like you guys. I walk in with you guys. For what I understood, I just rushed in. The agent went to close the door, and there was one that was sitting on the flight and was refusing even to move. Philippe, is Stephanie inside?
They stepped out already?
I was doing G14.
She's inside. She's inside?
She's inside the plane.
Let me just go in, because there was one that was refusing getting out.
Tell her to come outside. If she doesn't come out, then with the plane. We are going to the plane, everybody. Okay. Right? That's the procedure.
Let the supervisor go and let him know.
But we have to listen because it's just pass after warning.
And if not, we have to explain everybody?
Everybody.
Yes.
First we start with the person in front of us. First we start with the person in front.
What's he? Huh? She's gonna go in front.
Who's the person?
She's gonna
Way in the back on the left. Thank you.
exit the plane. Right now, I can press charges for you trespassing. You went
I'm
through
not
the door.
trespassing. I have
I just letting you know right now, the police officers are here. We're going to ask you to voluntarily walk out of the plane. If not, we're going to ask everybody. We're going to ask. I understand, but you were not bored when we closed the door. You went through the door when there was no agent at the moment. Ma'am. So,
let's talk to you outside. Let's come outside.
Right now,
yeah.
If you don't get out right now,
okay, hold on.
Let me get everybody out.
Right.
Okay, we'll get everybody out. I board like everybody else, and I pay for my ticket.
All right, let's go to the jet bridge so we can talk.
What do you mean? No,
come over here.
To talk about.
All right.
I'm going home like everybody else.
Let's wait outside.
If I don't go home, nobody go home.
Yes, cool. Okay.
All right.
I never did nothing. Like what? I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Ma'am, we need to talk to you. Let's go outside.
No, I don't have to talk to y'all.
Okay, you're gonna make it worse.
Y'all can send me a paper in the mail.
Okay?
Y'all can literally send me something in the mail. Whatever. I paid for a ticket. I paid for a ticket like everybody else.
Let's go. Everybody has to do plane.
After me. It's people that got on the plane after me.
We're gonna do plane.
There's people that got on after me.
Stay here with her.
Everybody else.
They're going to put charges against you for trespassing.
Yeah.
So can you
And guess what? I'm going to beat the case because I'm not trespassing.
Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, we're going to have to deplane everybody.
My name is. You should know if I was trespassing.
And wait in the boarding area.
Obviously, I want to take like everybody else. Ask the lady on the flight.
Can I say something to you?
There's nothing to say. There's nothing to say.
Will you listen to what I have to say now? Will you listen? Will you listen what I have to say?
Stand over here.
Make sure you get your belongings and make sure you have your boarding pass in your hands while we ask everybody.
From here
We will do this as soon as possible, correct?
Let's go.
I apologize for the delay and I apologize for the...
I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Well, y'all come from that fast.
What's that?
Y'all come from that fast.
We're around. There's a lot of people here. You're gonna have to deboard.
Get your ass off the plane.
Ma'am, don't instigate her, please. Guys, don't instigate her, because then we got to deal with her.
They never refused me. I was already on the plane.
I'm refusing you now.
Now after the fact, no. But that's after the fact. You can't do that after the fact. So no. Everybody going. We all going home late. No. Oh well. No No, I can't. Because they should have just took off.
Let's go. Let's do it fast. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's move.
My boarding pass is the same flight as everybody else. What do you mean? The fuck? That's dumb as f. They just want to have an attitude because they're miserable. They're miserable with their life. There's nothing for you to say. What is there for you to say? Like I said, y'all want to make my life hard, make everybody else's life hard.
No, not at all.
I want to go home. I don't even live here. That's weird. Y'all weird. But y'all mad because y'all really can't do anything besides make everybody get off and everybody get back on. You gotta wait till everybody get off. New whole plane. It's cool. I already sent my dad the information. Yeah, everybody getting off. Y'all too. You can go.
Let's go. You go in front of me.
And she gonna go behind me. And she's going behind me. No, that's mine.
All right.
Clearly.
All right, let's go.
You're not going behind me though.
Ma'am, let's go.
You can go and I will go behind you.
Go ahead.
You're not walking behind me, period.
Ma'am, let's go.
I don't trust you. I don't trust. Yes, please record. Thank you.
I gave you this.
My Instagram is. So send it to me so I can send it to my daddy. That's your only bag? Because they're definitely not walking behind me. Yeah, make sure y'all Instagram, Skype. Send me a video so I can send it to my dad. They already have my ID. I got on the plane.
We need your ID.
You don't need my ID. Get on the plane like everybody else. That's illegal.
I'm giving you a direct order to walk over there. Okay?
Don't make it worse.
They're making it worse for them. That's illegal. I didn't do shit. I have a ticket like everybody else.
Everybody here is out.
And I have a ticket like everybody else. What do you mean? And then y'all grabbing on your rent. For what though?
We're not going to argue.
Can somebody record this? Can somebody record this? What are you doing?
Go.
You cannot stop. What is you doing? Illegal as fuck. Illegal as fuck. It is. Y'all not necessary. What the hell? I have a ticket for this flight. And y'all trying to take me off the flight.
It's no longer valid.
What do you mean it's not valid?
Because you're going to jail.
But everybody else is valid.
I'm not gonna. All right, we're gonna have to.
Yeah, hold on. Let's
How?
Relax. We're going to take your property.
I'm relaxed.
We're
You're
gonna take
grabbing
your
me.
property. You're not grabbing your
I'm
property.
relaxed. You're grabbing me. What do you mean?
Relax.
Because why is he
Calm
grabbing
down.
me and I'm
Calm
relaxed?
down. Calm
Like
down.
I said, he grabbing me. It's illegal as fuck though. It's cool because I don't mind suing nobody. I don't mind suing Miami police. That's why he's shaking his head. He over y'all. He's shaking his head. And I'm on camera at the airport. This illegal as fuck. I have a ticket. And y'all mad because I have literally the plate got stopped because I have a ticket to go.
I'll get you, what do you need?
She goes to jail for that.
Once she refused to get off the airplane, that's trespassing.
Give me the info.
I will.
Upstairs. 269 231. Text my dad and tell him. See, look at him. That drag, now they want to drag me. 269 274.
No, over here. Door 19. You can exit out. Just exit out. Exit out.
With a regular, what the fuck? Where did I sit? The fuck? The fuck? Make sure y'all
Right there.
fly Miami in your life. Make sure y'all already went through security. Yeah, I know. No, that's illegal. I just went through security. Listen, stay right there.
Stay right there.
Trying to beat me. Hey, they're trying to beat me. 265. It's not even shit in my pocket. Miami police. Y'all get sued. Still, y'all not gonna have a job. But you should have. Why y'all didn't have the body cameras on? Why y'all didn't have body cameras on? Then y'all gonna suffocate me in a car.
the station?
Go to the station. I'll go with him.
Yeah, I'll follow you. Espérate, que tengo. 105-372.
A mulher foi formalmente acusada de conduta desordeira e violência de área operacional restrita de uma aeronave, o que é considerado uma violência grave das normas de segurança aéreas. As acusações não apenas refletem o caos causado a bordo, mas também os riscos que esse tipo de atitude representam para os passageiros, tripulação e funcionamento do aeroporto. Apesar da gravidade do incidente, o tribunal decidiu aplicar uma sentença de liberdade condicional, o que significa que ela não cumprirá a pena de prisão imediata, mas ficará sob vigilância de um período determinado, devendo seguir regras específicas e manter boa conduta. Qualquer novo deslize poderá levá-la diretamente à prisão. O que você achou dessa história? Compartilhe sua opinião nos comentários abaixo. E se você gostou desse vídeo, não esqueça de deixar seu like e se inscrever no canal para não perder mais nenhum vídeo como esse.